Alright guys, let's try a challenge lock. It's on a quick set core. This is pinned up by average picker. There's the key. So you can see why he named it that. It works. It gets hung up a little bit, but it works. That's what matters. Gonna use a Z-bar and try counterclockwise. Okay, I set 2, went into a false set. I think I set 1. Sorry, move so you can see the lock a little bit more. I know that average picker always makes really fun locks. I've had this lock for a while. I haven't actually spent very much time on it. Nope, this is my first time trying to open it on camera. And off camera, spent maybe 5 minutes just kind of playing around with it. Whoa. My wife just sent me a message asking if I'm going to come join her soon. Yes I will. Hopefully I'll open this quickly. Then we can go watch an episode of the show we're on currently, and then we'll sleep. We're going to reset. Actually, let's try clockwise. Instead of resetting, we'll just switch. Nope. Thought I had to manually counter-rotate that, but I don't think so. No, that wasn't it. Pretty good false set. Lost it. You can see how we start out like that. So we're in a pretty solid false set. I think that means I'm close. I'm having to put a lot of strain on this though. It's curving a little bit. There we go. All right. We got it open, so let's see what's in this. All right. Need a C-clip remover. Come on. Work with me here. I'm just gonna lock it up because we know the key works. Sometimes it's easier when it's not sliding around. Come on, C-clip. Wow. You know you want to play nice. There we go. Not sure what that is. Oh well. Where's our key? Right here. Or it needs a shim just to play it safe. And choose one of my followers. That one. Okay. 6 pins. I don't know if I realized that. Yeah, with this hand cut key, you wouldn't realize that. Huh. That's sneaky. He's filled in the construction holes. Nice. All right. Let's adjust just a little bit and start looking at these. Number 1, torpedo, I'd call that. Whoop. I believe it was in that order. I shouldn't just try and remember that. I should check now. Before we go any further, I want to make sure that I had those in the right place. Yep, okay. Four, 5, 6. Some very interesting shapes on these key pins. I'll do a close-up later. I'm not seeing anything done here though. Okay. Then we had number 1. Whatever you want to call that. Beautiful. It's got a few different elements to it. Number 2 is a T-pin-ish thing. Three is interesting. Look at that guy. It sometimes felt like I was kind of rolling off of them, so that one's round, so that could explain some of that feeling. Number 6. Number 7. Yeah, these are all really nice. And all of the springs are the same. What's fun about this is, I don't see any modifications up there. What's fun about this is it's not just like it's only a serrated, or it's just, this, that, or the other, but these contain multiple elements to throw you off. So for the key pins, There's number 1, number 2. These are all very nicely done. Number 5. And number 6. So if you overset any of those, you're in trouble. Then for drivers, that's what you had in 1. Similar in 2. This neat one I showed you earlier in 3. 4. Really, really beautiful one in 5. Look at that. That has layers. I love it. There it is. And 6. All right. Very fun lock. If you haven't checked out and are not subscribed to Average Picker, then you should go check him out. He has a really great channel. I always enjoy watching his videos. If you liked what you saw and would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do it. Hit that like as well. If you have any questions, leave them below. If anyone's up for lock trades, let me know. I'm running behind on sending out the locks that I do have, but I'm hopefully going to be doing more videos soon to help get rid of my surplus, and I'll start sending locks out again to the community. So if anyone's interested, let me know, and thank you for watching.